Alright, these are the tools that you need for the iPhone 3G battery replacement. You need one suction cup, one SIM card removal tool, number 0 Phillips screwdriver, and iPod housing remover. Put a suction cup on the screen of the iPhone and yank it away. Slowly though. Remove number 1, 2, and 3 in chronological order. After you have completed removing 1, 2, and 3, you proceed by removing all the screws from the communications board.
It's a little distortion. Hey, what are you doing? Alright. 1, 2, 1, 2. Very quickly. You think it was a ball. Edit later.
Now that the communications board has been removed, we can proceed on replacing the battery.
Gonna screw up everything. You take that thing out already?
Yeah. I remove all the screws, right? The camera screws and all the screws.
Kiến của bạn là một cái khóa bạn nào rất có tiêu nè. Cái chìa khóa đâu rồi?
Now proceed by removing the glue from the battery. Shouldn't take that long. Just take your time.
It's the original glues.
No, it's not original. Be sure to get the iPhone battery with self-adhesive, so you won't end up using your own glue. So I did try to put back the iPhone in one piece, and yeah, when I try to power it on, it works. So I'm gonna try to see how long the battery will last. These are the results I got from 20% remaining left, which means that I get 5 hours of battery use.